Amazon Fire Stick not working, no signal. All right, guys, here's how you can fix this. The first thing is to check your TV input. So actually make sure your input source is working. So switch to the correct HDMI port. That's either HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. And most of the time it's just actually a wrong input. Now you could also try reseating the Fire Stick. So basically unplug the Fire Stick and then plug it back in firmly into the HDMI port, or if you're using a HDMI extender, try plugging in your HDMI cord directly to your TV. Now, you could also use proper power supply. So you could plug the Fire Stick into a wall socket, not a TV USB, and then use the original adapter and cable. This should give you a better chance of getting your Fire Stick to work. Now, another thing you could do is restarting the Fire Stick. All you need to do is just unplug it from power, wait 30 to 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. That should probably fix the issue. Now, if that doesn't work, you could just try it on a different TV. So basically, get yourself a different TV and simply try it on there. Now, you could also check for physical damage. That's if the HDMI cord is bent, or if the HDMI connector has an issue, and also if there's a loose power port as well. You could check that out as well. All right, guys.